Dum da da dum. Today's video, we're gonna talk about Uganda Knuckles. There really isn't much to it. It was a meme that kept saying this is the way, and it was a slew of videos and a ton of stuff made on it. So this will be going to a good friend of mine. He likes Sonic the Hedgehog, and he loves a lot of memes, like me and my fiance do. So this is pretty much gonna go to him once I paint it. I did find him in Yegi. There's different variations of this one. I don't know which one my fiance printed. I believe he printed the first one because it looks like maybe the first one or the second one. I don't know. This one is in several pieces. This one is solid, so I'm assuming it's probably closer to this one. But yeah, I didn't know that Uganda Knuckles was available for 3D printing. So guess what I am going to be working on today. This is pretty close to the one that I have in front of me. Unfortunately, I don't know why it's not 3D printers, but this is the gentleman that apparently did this model. So yeah, so let's get rolling. Ready? So here's the final version. Not too bad. There's the big guy and there's the little guy. I would have to say this was very difficult to paint, especially around the face. It was really hard to get to some of those corners. All in all, this was pretty fun. The other thing that was really hard about this is that there is no good way to stand him straight. So I simply use his tail as a tripod, and that seems to stabilize the figure. Because I try to stand him up, and it was not happening. So tripod it is. So all in all, this was pretty fun. I will go back to doing the regular tour reviews. Here I have another Ultraman, or no, it's Kamen Rider. I have another Kamen Rider video coming up. But anyway guys, if you like this type of content, like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.